calls were coming in at top and puts were coming in at bottom. How do you chase that?
We are live. But you can keep talking to me. You can keep talking about flow.
Yeah, it's a scam. Like there's probably some good stuff, but I mean the amount of time you find something good versus bad, it's just all in the chart.
Literally.
Yep.
I mean,
Wow.
if you look at this, last Sunday when I did that video, I gave the move down and said we needed a wick out to be bullish, and as long as we held the 50% of that wick,
Hmm.
we were gonna go up. And what happened on the retest of the wick, as I posted, we just ran through it and just continued on down.
Dude, yeah, it was the same shit that Shane and I were talking about whenever we were outlining like those Sunday levels. Paper traders. I see. Like we were literally looking for a move up and then down on the weekly. Just exactly what we did. Like Sunday opened up, retraced a little bit into that previous candle, and then we just fucking sold. Like,
No.
yep.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought we'd yes we get to 76, and then what it got to 69 and sold off, and I said 73, and it sold off to 77, then bounced, and then we continued down.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need, like you said, you don't need no magic indicators. Just learn to read a chart.
Exactly.
Fuck, I'm to the point where I don't even want lines on my chart anymore.
I just want little bitty boxes to show me the time. That's it.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I saw that indicator you were coding. That's literally why I have that time frame one on mine. Like if you, oh wait, let me stream it here. Yeah, we are recording. There's this. There's that. There's this. Yeah, recording. Mic is on. Desktop audio is on. Yeah, you guys can be heard. But yeah, like this little macro line just literally shows me the times. Not necessarily when a
Right.
reversal happens exactly, but like when it can't happen.
Yeah. That's what that's for. So like, back when I was back testing before I started really using like intraday time, I used to use pre-market time
Mm-hmm.
for gapping crabs, and I noticed like when they started at a certain time in between a certain time that you could just short at a certain amount of time after it started, and then after a certain time they performed patterns, and if those patterns were bullish, like an ABCD pattern, then you long, and if not, then you short. And then when I started in options, I just kind of implemented that over into intraday, and that's why that indicator, just so you don't even have to look at it. Like I used to use alarm clocks. Now I don't use alarm clock. Now I can just look at the chart, and it's already
Now
there before
the
before
mind
we
is
ever get
trained.
there. Yeah, well now it's just a visual. Like they're preset every day, so they're already on the chart. So when we get to open or the all the other times,
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. So I'm just updating quick thing on NQ. Posting the chart that we posted on when I was in Florida on Friday. Last Friday we posted this move. Last Friday after close we said this is what's gonna happen.
there it is. Didn't need flow
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
or an SMA. Even though I don't talk much crap about SMAs because I like them, but like you don't really need anything. Just the chart. Y'all think we feel that weekly imbalance below?
Um,
My peep.
I,
We got a bullish imbalance on the weekly.
I like the way daily's looking. Wait, dude. Look at
what?
my screen.
Let me see. Do, 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 do,
Remember what I fucking outlined?
Oh my god. Hey, dude, I think the animals hit harder than anything,
Dude, they fucking smack.
especially with ICT.
Mm-hmm. Dude, that is so good. Fuck, I forgot what stream I was fucking doing this on, but I was like,
I'll
maybe.
find it because I have to go through the videos because I need to upload to YouTube. I'll
Okay,
find it.
but yeah, dude, I was like,
Do you remember what you
maybe.
said, kind of?
I was like, we could possibly get this on the weekly, or I was like, oh wait, hold up, I think I see a little
Yep.
animal
Okay.
forming out,
I remember that.
and then I did this. Post, I'll send you the screenshot.
Sounds good. This is massive. Actually, no, I'm not gonna say it. Nope, not saying it.
What were you gonna say? It. Say it.
Starts with an S, ends with a T, but it doesn't matter.
Oh, I mean, we SMT'd the top, didn't we?
Yep, well, we did.
Dude, here's the thing. Like, we don't have. Are you talking about this fair value gap?
Hold on, I just got on my chart.
This
Jimmy.
monthly
no.
close is gonna be so ugly.
Yeah, dude, this month is disgusting.
Yeah. So there's a weekly one on ES that the start of it is on the 13th, the 9/13 on the weekly. I don't know if it's on NQ.
If you look at my at 9:13, yeah, September 16th it has one, or the week
Oh,
of
yeah.
September 16th.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the third time tapping into that.
There's a
Uh-huh.
gap there too.
Yep. And that is right into like pretty much the OT. That would be disgusting. 19,000s, dude. I don't see what's stopping us from selling off like that tomorrow. That's another.
That's what I said.
3,000
On the
points, dude.
close, they love flipping the candles on the back half.
Hey, Eddie, look at your 1025 candle.
Oh my god.
Tonight? Oh, 10/25, as in like the month.
Yeah, right there on the weekly there. Timmy candle.
Oh, yeah.
Got another one on the 4th.
Ruh-roh.
Yep.
Look at what I just posted in trading chat.
I mean, Timmy, we can TBR it.
Yeah, hey, hey, and that's coming. That's coming too. I've got it
Yep.
about halfway cooked.
Look at all those equal lows. In
Dude,
that
yes.
FEG
Like,
on ES.
look on NQ, all of this bullshit. All of these just fucking wicks. Right there.
Yeah.
Straight up LRLR. This is like, when they sell this, if that happens tomorrow, it's going to be disgusting. I think I have this outline already right here on the daily.
I think we get one little push back up just to form
Just
the that bearish imbalance on the weekly.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah,
And then
equal lows out the ass. 20 thou.
Because if you think about it, if you go through Twitter, everybody's super bullish. So
Knife catchers.
you know what I mean? Get them really going. Because like, what's the odds we close at lows
Dude,
tomorrow?
we could grind
That's true.
and chop here for months after this kind
Like
of
we
dump.
did over
we probably
fucking
won't get
here.
any. We probably won't get any decent movement after this dump for a minute.
Yeah, we could wait to CPI.
Or the next.
You know what I mean? If you look at the chart, that's been kind of the thing is we just start chopping. Unless
go
there's
into another range.
news. Yeah. Then CPI hits, and then we job data starting to get bad.
It's kind of similar to. Oh my god, what was I gonna say? My mind's not thinking anymore tonight. Oh yeah, come over here, take all of this, and then just fucking range, honestly, and wait for. Oh my god, non-farm payroll. That's like the big one for them.
Oh yeah, that's on what on the 3rd. That's Monday.
Non-farm.
It should be on the 3rd.
I was on Friday, next Friday. On the 7th. Yeah, non-farm. Oh my god. So next week we have ISM PMI, non-farm payroll on Wednesday, ISM PMI again, unemployment claims on Thursday, average hourly earnings month over month, non-farm, unemployment rate, and Fed chair speaks tentative right now on Friday.
Goodness.
That's fucked.
Bloody.
Good little start of the month for them.
Hey, you know what? Like the Trump market, it's not straight up, but man, it pays a lot more and faster.
Oh yeah, dude. Like
Then
it's
like
fucking
Biden
move.
did a
On
Yeah.
the day? You kidding me?
Freddy, pull up
That's,
Dixie Weekly. Eek. Outside week off the 786.
ooh.
Oh, disgusting.
That's a
Yeah, dude, Dixie could freaking go here too.
Like
Like,
really, really rip. And if
oh
they're gonna rip
god.
up to that, are they not going for the top 114?
They just need to displace this fair value gap first.
Outside week.
well, it looks like it closed one. It just closed one. It bounced off of it.
Yeah, over here.
I mean, it ran through it a little bit, but
Be gross.
look at it. It retested that M twice.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, like this one. Oh, there's also a W.
Also, a little
Kinda-
inverse head and shoulders there.
Time to inverse the charts, boys.
Yeah. Yeah, Dixie can either like if this keeps on holding, come into OTE of this range, right? And then bounce from over here somewhere, so it's still gonna like reject down for further, giving us an actual like head and shoulder right here,
See that?
right? Something like that. For this to come up, and then that. So like that monthly open. Dixie going outside month.
AMD just obliterated.
I know, man, dude.
I knew they're
it
going
made
to
it
that blunt open.
It moved halfway to my target and it's turned.
Dude, that damn blunt open. They will never leave a blunt open. Not even on a monthly chart.
Oof. Dude, this week. Oof.
And
Equal
the M's
lows at
almost
like 20 to 60. Wild.
Rough stuff.
Yeah,
I don't
dude.
know how I walked away with 15% today.
Fucking sick, dude. 15 on the port. That's wild.
in 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
That's
But
a per,
take that.
percent a minute.
I've never seen a blunt open left behind ever.
Nope.
Hey Eddie, remember that pattern on the sell-offs that I showed you, where we get like the three green moves
Yeah.
before dude, wouldn't that be wild?
Oh, God. So we only had one on the daily. Thank you.
Yeah, wouldn't that be freaking wild?
One. Maybe another one like,
Yeah, Monday
yeah,
or
like
Tuesday.
one.
Awesome.
Dude.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, sell down 3. Yeah, this would
Dude.
get us into here. It would get us into this fucking discount. I mean, we got here. Hold up. Let me pull up. What is it? Fucking 100. What's it called?
US 100.
US 100. Yeah. Thank you.
You know what's absolutely wild, just really quick?
What's that?
Everyone expected massive market rip and crypto with Trump, and the only thing going up right now is China stocks.
Dude, look at this shit. Right? And or US 100 took the top.
Dude, that is
Yeah.
why you always have to watch all of them. They hide that shit so good.
US
Dude,
100
so
took the
you-
top. We got these equal lows right here. So US 100 can fucking go, dude. Yeah, if
You
we're
took
talking
the
about
top two.
yeah. Gross. If we take this weekly range, right? Our OTE is until 18,000.
That's what I was saying the other day.
Gross.
Let me check the key levels here. Let's see what we got.
I mean, the
You know how many-
7.
Rusting.
You know how many people scream a bear market,
Mm-hmm.
and then guess what'll happen?
And then we fucking rip. It's exactly what happened right here. Everybody was like, "Holy shit!" And then
My
we
favorite
fucking
thing ever.
bounced perfectly.
Yeah,
None of the
2020
Bears got
lows.
entries, and only the Bulls get the shorts, and the Bears always miss it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a few Timmy candles along the way. So we could do like or let's take this one. I like this one. This one's
Yeah,
solid.
I like that one too. Get about the 50% of it.
Yep. Now look at this. Like that. Like this.
Oh, dude,
Like
that'd be
that.
sick.
Little.
That'd be one of those like little full porters there.
Yep. Little TBR right there, and then boom, go back up.
Ooh. So
Good old.
there's one right above that one. I mean, it's not a complete doji. Keep
Oh,
going to the
this
right,
one.
right there. Yeah, yeah. So what if we
Oh
bounce in?
yeah.
You know what I mean. Then come back and retest that one. Then up.
Yeah, like this. Wherever we land. Like if this week closes right here, next week we bump up a little bit, sell back down on Powell speaking, probably on fucking rate cuts or interest rates not cutting.
Yeah. If the jobs keep going the way they are, I bet they cut. I bet they're forced to cut.
Yeah. But he
I'm
was
gonna
saying he's
send.
not budging under Trump, so that was
That's good. You shouldn't budge, dude. That's wild. I'm gonna. I'm going to send you something, Eddie.
dude, yeah, that'd be fucking crazy if we got that move. Can you imagine, guys? If you guys for those that are watching, if you guys got any questions, let us know in the chat box. Comment, like, share. Let us know what you think. If you want to see more of something, less of something, let us know. We'll cover what we saw on today a little bit later on. But right now, we're just kind of talking general market stuff. But you see how we left this level in the pre-market, right? We said this is an important level. We're not going to delete it. Guess where we came up and rejected off of? Same fucking level that we rejected off yesterday. No body closes, no nothing.
Look at
Fair
your
value gap.
look at your messages, Eddie.
Peeking right now. Ooh, that expansion.
See that? See
Yep.
that right one?
Yep. Down to
So that line.
16.42. Holy shit.
Now we might hit the 50% in between those two on the right side, but that is a possibility.
Yeah. I mean, that 17,351 that you have on there, it looks juicy. That
Yeah.
just like singular wick that's like right here. This one.
Yep.
This looks gross. I mean, it would make sense because this whole range is pretty much fucking balanced, right? So this is all can be LR. This is why we're having this huge fucking sell right now until this little fair value gap. Which is like if this stops us, we can possibly retrace. We're going to have a weekly fair value gap over here most likely. Reject down further.
Yeah, so whenever I posted that chart a couple days ago, the one my best friend got onto me about, that's what I seen was Tuesday's wick. If we held that, we were gonna go up and hit the daily fair value gap or imbalance. And if not, then we're going to that bottom weekly.
Yep.
Without a doubt. That's the pull of liquidity, so.
Yes, sir. Also, we had a little TBR right here on the daily.
Yeah.
Goes below it, tapped into it. Fucked off.
See ya.
Mm-hmm.
Not today.
Serious, literally.
So if you go down where you have your LBR, your LR over there, we got a little Timmy candle right there.
Oh, this tiny guy.
No, yeah, I've had that one marked for a while.
I'll have it.
Did you know about Tim G fucking candle?
Way.
Oh,
Young
is
Benji.
Benjamin is in
Benji
here
came
now?
in.
Benji?
Yo, your new mic is fire. There's no way you didn't get a new mic.
I did get a new mic.
You sound like a god.
Thank you, sir. The setup is fucking fire now.
I'm sure it's elite. Hi, Tim G.
What's up, Benji?
Go, brother.
Hi, Benji.
Benji.
Hi, Shane.
I love you.
Yo, are we buying the dipski on the video? Look at it's just.
I
what
was
the
until
fucking-
Banana posted the RSI on it and said that it has to go up. And then I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm probably gonna get ran over a little more.
This shit it's been in the same thing for fucking a year. It's just following. This is like the low.
I
Here,
think
I'll post-
AMD works this time. Oh yeah, we're on.
Yeah,
we're
okay.
We're on live stream on Twitter, just so you know.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Hey,
No,
No,
you're good.
I'm
That
just
we've
saying
just been
it's-
literally talking on here.
We don't split.
Okay.
We've been conversing.
Here. I mean,
Y'all
like, you know
see
me. I'm
snow?
very simple. No, I haven't. I haven't looked at snow in a minute.
so I took a
Okay.
long on it yesterday. Sold some today. I wish I'd have sold all my contracts, but I was looking for break of the high because they got a open AI deal closing. I figure whenever they close on OpenAI, that'll
crazy.
yeah.
That's a wild chart. That shit looks excuse me, that looks very unhealthy.
You should try long AMD this time.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see my family again, bud.
I need to pay rent.
Yeah,
We need a home.
yeah, what?
Horde.
Trying to find a bullish
Account.
sentiment for ES, bro. This nonsense is just.
Hey, I can send you some screenshots of Furu's calling bottom.
Oh no.
Yeah, I got them all. I just scrolled through there and I was like, oh, this is stupid.
No, I think what are we at? 58, 67. We probably have another 50 points before. We'll probably break under 5,800 and grab some liquidity, break back up, and fail another retest of like, oh, freaking no.
Hey, one big Furu called bottom at 950 today. At
Holy
59.50,
smokes.
he said, "This is bottom. We're headed to 6,100."
Hell yeah.
6,100.
Yeah. Yeah, stopped out at
Genius.
22, but.
That guy's. Was that you?
No.
Oh, thank God! I'm gonna be nervous.
No, I was holding overnight until we hit 64.75, and then I got out. That was the level I posted.
Oh,
Stayed
nice.
64.75.
Timmy been smacking them fucking shorts.
I missed all day
Hey,
today.
and you know what?
Every
And
second.
I was bullish at open. Took a long, and then once we closed under the levels that I posted that we had to close over, I just flipped short.
Oh, longs off that like 10 o'clock candle. We're fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a little long on the once I seen the inverse setting up. And that's
Longs
whenever
are
I
decent.
posted when it
Yeah.
started before it failed, it closed under a certain level I had. And that's whenever I posted the hourly chart and said that we're gonna get an outside hourly and run through Tuesday's wick. We were gonna close
Mhm.
that imbalance on ES.
Yeah. It was a really clean day to trade. I don't really like trend days, but
Trend days to
This
the
was-
downside are probably the better ones than like upside ones. Upside grinds too much.
Dude.
Yeah, it's an staircase up and an elevator down every time,
Exactly. Just pay faster.
for sure.
And a lot more.
Mm-hmm.
Like, futures pays a lot more to the downside.
Yeah.
You make less dumb moves when you're in a very hard, fast move.
Yeah, that's true too.
Versus
Which
whenever
is
it's just
dumps.
grind. Yeah, when it's just like grinds down or grinds up, it's the worst.
I'm really interested to see what happens at this 5800 and 58 like 15 level. It seems like
Yeah, I post.
early, not early, like yeah, late October, early November. Even no, there was some action around September. Yeah, that's gonna be our next spot. Is that the area you were gonna say?
Yeah, so I posted 857, 851 for possible bounce, and then the where I am looking at since we broke through the other imbalances 745 to 641, but I played those on a small time frame to break down
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
exactly where I wanted to try to attempt a long. But to me, we're gonna close the gap because there's a gap from September on the weekly.
Do you remember?
Oh yeah, we go straight. I think we go straight down there for like 57 something. Easily, it looks too. It's one of those things where it's just like it almost seems too easy, so it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
That January, I mean, there's been so much action. Like we've tested this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times as support since like the end of September on the weekly, let alone whatever attempts on the daily. That's when I guess I'll really turn bearish.
Yeah.
I think all. I mean, to me, it was like a BS run up. Like the whole run up was BS. That's where I think we can get like the real sell off because we'll get all the real data.
We're below that 21.0650, so short term we're pretty bearish. That was that key
Yeah, but
level
it's
I had
scary.
outlined. Yeah, all of that shit below LAR is just fucking looking juicy.
Here, I'll post the uh-oh line. I like that.
You're reposting the OO line?
I put it in trading chat in the situation. That's we lose that. Uh-oh.
I love that.
I remember not too long ago, I was with my sister-in-law's parents, and she was there. They're like both brokers and with a firm and yada yada yada, and they're like removing all the cash because we're just like we're so propped up and like blah blah blah, and now they were kind of right. They were kind of right. That was the end of November. So they save themselves a couple pints at the very least.
Yeah.
You gotta give credit where they do. I guess they are professionals.
I follow a bond guy on Twitter that's pretty good, and
A
he
bond
went
guy,
cash.
that's interesting.
Yeah, he went cash right before the sell off, and then yesterday he posted that Trump wants the market down, so he's gonna go long because the market's gonna fuck him. And he went 50% risk on from 90% cash, and I thought that was kind of wild
That is very wild.
because I'm bullish. I was bullish, but I wasn't that bullish.
23.8250 for tomorrow.
Let me take a look. 22,850.
No, just 20,382.50. Look at my
okay.
look at my screen. I have it. Very bottom right here.
Are you streaming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, my last on NQ right now is 372, so I'm right there with you.
Yeah, we broke out of the
Mason in the chat said, "Don't forget the Ukraine-Russia war could actually come to an end tomorrow. A lot of good news potentially for the bounce."
Bouncing.
I'm about to just set a bunch of random limit buys.
Timmy says we ain't bouncing.
This just in. We ain't bouncing.
If we do, it's just enough to pissing people off.
Market never bottoms on a Friday.
For real.
How much must fry already? Good lord.
I mean, yeah, we're never bouncing, so we can get a monthly open, or tomorrow we can get that open low or open high low close, right? So we can retrace a little bit tomorrow, no doubt, but sentiment is more, we're below the oh shit line. That's per
Oh, shit,
Benji.
fine.
The
Yeah.
oh
Hey,
line.
Eddie, check your messages. Look at
Oh.
chart system.
Yeah, Benji, I like
We've
your oh line.
I'll try
we've got
line,
the
bro.
so we had a broadening formation on the daily, and we done broke that. We broke out of that.
Actually, hold up. You can move that line where those three bodies are, like around the 01, 03, 2025 area. Like have that go from those lines. Have that broadening to the downside start from there.
Say that one more time.
So you see like that 01, 03, like those candles right below that time frame tag. Start that line from over there, like where it touches the first green Timmy candle, kind of. So start that trend line from there and touching those other bottoms. Let me see if I can pull up that same one.
On the way up.
On the way down for the down line.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Is that on the daily? That's on the weekly.
No, that's on the daily. You go to the daily to get that.
Oh, okay, you went to the daily.
Okay, no. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. So like.
Oh yeah, we done broke that and back tested it. That one. Oh, I see now.
No. Like look at my screen, like that, like from those, or like even from here probably.
Yeah. No, that's how I have it right now. Yeah.
So that it goes from. Like that's the broadening I would look for, right? Because then, there we go. So like 567. Honestly, we can come down and take this liquidity where this line intersects. This one, I like that. 561. Like this. Just sent you the chart.
Yeah, looks.
A reason to start over now.
Mason, thank you for your comment, sir. But Timmy says. Timmy's whispering to the market makers right now.
What the florp is going on with crypto? Is it just because everything's dying
ass.
so naturally?
Hold up.
Oh, what?
I wanted that 80.
What's his name? What's his name?
shit's
Liquidated
scary.
$21 billion.
Salish?
In 3.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think I could hold 10. Just 10.
Eddie.
Damn, way to handle that like a Russian robot.
Get the fuck out of here. Don't talk to me, dude.
No questions, please.
Dude, my wife hates when those people call me.
Dude, like, what are you talking about?
I've got nothing but time, so I can take them through the ringer.
Well, I got nothing but time too, dude, but I'm like, I don't
No, I
want to
know.
fucking talk to you about my student experience as an alumni, dude. Couldn't get a fucking job out of college. Fuck off.
And didn't you get in like chemical engineering or something?
Mechanical, yeah.
Mechanical, okay.
Yeah. I was like, fuck you. Couldn't get me an internship with Lockheed Martin, but everybody else got one. It's because I'm a fucking
No
Russian spy.
way.
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
Oh,
dude, you should have said
that makes
that.
sense. Please spell your name with a U.
Yeah.
You should have said that.
Probably. Oh yeah, I should call her back. Like, actually, I do have time to answer some questions. But first, I'm gonna start with my list of questions that you're gonna answer.
So how do you want my lawyer to handle this?
Yeah. Just go for the trade deals versus tariffs are technically in the rate cut environment, domestic oil production forward looking rate. Yeah, that's true. Like all the fear selling for sure, but at the same time, we're so fucking jacked up on the Biden administration just fucking pumping this market on nothingness, all right? That we kind of do need to come back down and grab some liquidity. It's same with volume. You can see it how we were fucking volume was on these days at the top was just like really fucking low. And now as we're selling, volume is increasing, so that means people are selling, people are buying more probably too. There's more interaction between buyers and sellers now.
What's your weekly volume look like?
I'm looking at NQ. No, I'm looking at. Sorry, let me pull up. This is a different indicator volume.
So yeah, so we ain't even close to the left.
72.4.
Yeah, so look left. You know what I'm saying? Like look at that volume to your left.
Yeah.
Keep going left. I mean that's some big volume right
Oh
there.
yeah. Yeah, exactly. And
So
that's when we were that's when we were
Yeah.
at the like fucking bottom, right? That's when people are actually buying 146.27 million. Like over here
Yeah.
we're just pumping up on fucking nothing. Like
Yeah.
literally fucking nothing. Every dip was like bought up and every dip was sold. And right now everybody's like we're not even seeing the buying volume that we had over here.
That's not even the sell volume we had over there.
Mm-hmm.
That's why when people are like, buying dips, I'm like, dude, we're not even close to like volume that we've seen in the past.
Yeah, like over here that's like what is this 100.2 million. Yeah,
That's
today
the lightweight pump.
74. So I'm saying like we're seeing a way better interaction. Like I bet when we get over here, that's when you'll start to see, because we'll take all of this liquidity, right? Everybody that has their stops over here is going to be selling.
I wonder if it's too early to consider this selling for tax reasons. What do you think? Is this tax harvesting yet or no?
Well, can I have
Why are you laughing? I'm being dead ass.
we got a Timmy candle on Spy too.
Yeah. Had that one marked for a while too. But that NQ daily, just the three green move just screams like it's gonna happen.
Yeah. I mean, if you look at Spy, right, we still have technically one more green move, then one more down move. Let's get on the daily, or no, this is 4 hour. Sorry, no, never mind. We have two more down, two more green moves.
If it plays out like any other pattern on any other time frame, then yeah, that's what we still have.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we had one. We can go up tomorrow. Then tomorrow, I'm not discounting a bounce tomorrow. Like that'd be fine to see. It'd be cool to see everybody be like, all right, bottom's in.
Yeah.
No, they're just gonna create a lower high.
Exactly. And then, like some shit like that. Continue
exactly,
down
something like that.
Till we hit some right here. Then we can like look at a bounce actually from here, right? But these lows are still fucking goofy. Like not until we retrace into like this range is shit. I don't think we'll be like the full range of from here to there. But even from here to there will be fine for small time bounce.
5,300.
I still think we clear those Septembers. That's September 13th gap.
Oh yeah. Over here.
Yep.
Yeah, these lows look good too.
Maybe bounce off the bottom of that broadening wedge, about 50% back up, and
bounce off this Timmy right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, broadening wedge, retest the fucking Timmy on the 4 hour, come back down. Heck, I mean, we can even come back up, retest this Timmy, right?
Yeah, we could.
Technically, the 50 of this Timmy.
Data would have to push it that high though.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like next week when we have all of that stuff, next week can
But
just
if you
give us a nasty weekly wick, right? Come up, come back down.
if you look at that, if we did bounce, we could close or almost close that imbalance right there. That would start with tomorrow.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, if we like created one over here, come up.
Yeah, yeah.
I like
And
it.
just get more stuff to work through on the way back up.
Mm-hmm.
Some of those gimme trades.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Good. 120 people in here watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Check us out, papertraders.io. Got all the tools you need for trading. Check out Hazed Beats on Twitter. Phenomenal crypto trader, phenomenal trader just in general. Check out Timmy.
Top dog crew.
Big Timmy Hedge on Twitter. You will learn the most shit you have ever learned on how to read markets. From the simplest things, too, that you have
So
never
simple.
realized.
And then, yes, Benji's the most beautiful man in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate you.
Yes, Benji. Follow him. He posts daily eyebrow pics.
300 followers, and I post my skincare routine. That's next.
Oh, guys, get him up. All 100 of you that are watching right now, go fucking follow ES Benji. We need his skincare routine. He's 7 followers away. He's 7 followers away. Please. Please. I'm gonna pull up a live ES Benji Twitter account following. When we hit 300, we're gonna celebrate.
We're gonna pop champagne.
Exactly.
We're due. We're due for big numbers here.
Come on, y'all. Give him. I'm putting his in the chat. Go follow him. See 7 followers. Seven more people.
Wait, where's Shane? I'm gonna do you guys something funny.
The ozone. Yeah, it's so beautiful, dude. Yeah, if we come back down and through it, that's gonna be phenomenal.
I would love to play both ways off the ozone.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know where off of that I would try to short. Maybe. Do we try to bounce off like a full 100 points and reject off of like 59 hundo if we come down?
Probably. Come up, come down.
I just like for fun drew a bunch of random like zones. Like if we lose next like massive zone. I guess this is considered.
Yeah. So anything below 5,800 is kind of fucked. What is
it gets scary, like
yeah. Oof.
Down to like a couple hundred points.
QQQ looks nasty. See, triple Q's also took the top of it.
Yep.
So it's like, dude, you don't need to be looking at this. You're like, oh, we're gonna fucking come up, take the top. They gotta look at other shit too.
Dude, NDX did too.
Yep.
Everything but NQ.
2832.
That's wild. What are the tickers you got on your thing? NQ. Oh, this guy looked at the future. What a nerd. He got NQ up there 3 times. Jesus.
Well, I just have different ones. Like this one's just for back testing shit, which I don't need. This one's for the stuff that we draw out on the daily.
That one, I love your harmonics, man. You're a legend with that.
Dude, yeah, we drew this out. I think it was Monday that Shane and I were talking about it, and I was like, "Oh, look at this! What we look at what we have here." I think
I love it.
Shane, I think it was Monday stream the night that I got back. It was either Monday or Tuesday that we talked about this. But yeah, I was like, looky. Same thing with like on the common side, I think. What's Tesla? Tesla had a nice bounce, kind of a little bit of a bounce out of it, but continuing down. And I think I had a good one on Apple too. Yeah, look at Apple. Literally rejecting where we wanted it to.
Hey, do you see that Timmy sandwich on Apple's Daily?
Timmy
Over here?
sandwich.
Yeah.
I'm trying to beat a Timmy Sandy. That's awesome.
On this one?
Hey, that
Timmy
thing
this-
hit. Timmy sandwich today hit 2,900.
Dude, Timmy sandwich is the setup. We've just like we got a TBR, we got a Timmy sandwich, dude. They're fucking solid ass setups. See that. If you guys want to learn about the TBR and the Timmy sandwich, join up www.papertraders.io or check out at Big Timmy Hedge on Twitter. I'm putting his name in the description too. Or not description, but in the chat. Go
Yeah,
follow that guy.
I'm gonna use the TBR just for the paper traders.
Hell yeah. Dude, TBR smacks.
Dude, hey, that's how I caught that long yesterday.
I still see Benji's at 293 followers, guys. We need to get him to 300.
Yeah, unless that's all 130 people in here already following me. That's the only thing I could think
Oh, what's up,
of
sir?
for
Sorry,
Benji's.
Zerly. What's up, man? I saw you on Twitch over here.
What's your
You stream on Twitch too?
We're streaming
name on
across. We're streaming on YouTube. We're streaming on Twitch. We're streaming on Rumble as well, and the Paper Traders account as well.
Oh, there's Benji.
I think you followed me already.
293, no? I follow you now. I thought I
294.
did follow.
Beautiful.
Yes.
6 more people. Yeah, see, Apple is fucking, that animal is playing out phenomenally. See what we got. Let me give you a post of what we had on that. Once we, like a completion of what happens once the animal is complete. So let me save this. I'm also going to tag Duck in it. Phenomenal. Hyper Bitcoin phenomenal trader. If you're looking to grow your knowledge in animal patterns, which we do trade quite often. Non-stop animal pattern trading.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. There's a guy I used to follow. He did harmonics, and his charts always look so terrible. I was like, there's no way that I would ever learn that. But your charts are always so clean.
Fuck yeah. Thank you, sir.
Dude, he would have like 4 different colored fibs on his screen. And all he ever talked about was harmonics. I'm like, man, it's nothing I ever want to learn. You know what I mean? Like it's
Yeah.
cluttered.
Beautiful.
So I'm trying to use this is what I plan on learning next, but trying to learn or not learn but add CSID to my chart. To my not my chart. Not to my chart, but like I know it's the change of delivery.
Yeah, change in
So I'm
state
just-
delivery.
Yeah, so I when I was talking to Papa, whatever his name is, I was
You
talking
can
with
just
him
call me
about.
Benji.
Um,
Papa.
oh, Papa, did you?
Papa Benji.
And he was explaining to me, I was like, well, I trade that. I mean, I trade that. I just never had any context to it.
Yeah. Line, this is a solid 4-hour Timmy. I want to line that right there. It's a good one to come back retest. We actually retested this one. Look at this chart right here. We broke it down, came back TBR 3 times. All 3 times it held down.
Look at that M too.
Over here.
Yeah, got
Yep.
your long wick right there in your middle, and then
That's what I was saying with like the animal patterns. It's pretty much like a W, right? W and then an M that we had on Tesla. So I had a solid one on Bitcoin, like right before the big sell-off started on it. Like, look how well it hit. Like, we outlined this with Shane. I was like, yeah, look at this animal. It bounced perfectly in our zone. And we fucking rocketed from there. But now she's looking even nastier to the downside. As you can probably smack this little boy on here. Like that. Somewhere over here in the 60s. Shane, did we get in 60,000 on Bitcoin?
I don't think so.
73?
Mm-mm.
No, you think this is like...
I think just open next week, quick stab down, maybe into like 76. If
You're
we're
taking
bullish,
this
if we're
range,
bullish, I don't
yeah.
want to even sit in this FVG. I just want it to
Oh,
leave.
I see. Yeah. This like very bottom.
The
FVG.
weekly one that we just tapped into right now.
Yep. Yeah, dude.
Yep.
Took that blunt bottom. That's crazy.
Yep. So like either like here or right down into the 50% of this. I really don't want to see it
that's
under
where
this
your M.
again.
If you look at that M right there, that's right there. It's about where we complete. 66,798.
66. Okay, you're looking at this, right?
Maybe
Yes.
the
Yep. Yep.
705.
Somewhere,
Yeah.
yep. Somewhere right around there in that area, it'll complete.
Yeah, so then we can expand it to this range, and then we get that 67 level, which is OTE. And what do we have over here? A Timmy and a Timmy over here too.
Yeah. Look at your monthly on Bitcoin.
I'm only using this FVG because if you look back at like when we souped the high in 21, we never displaced above that high. And this time we displaced above the March 24th high.
I see. Dude, that monthly open looks gross too. Like just
Ethereum's disgusting.
I don't even want to look at Ethereum, dude.
Solana's gutted.
Yeah, dude,
was
I
one
was looking at Sol. This is gross. Sol, no, sorry, crypto. Yeah,
Unless they turn this into a hammer candle in 2 days.
Oh my god, dude, Solana's just fucked. 110 on Solana, boys. I can't
Look at Doge
it.
Weekly. I could see them wicking this back up though. I don't know if they can do it in 3 days.
Yeah.
But
I think I had a Timmy candle outline over here. Yeah, I did. The red zone. Little Timmy candle over here. Go up.
Doge does like to lead the way too, so maybe this one turns around first. Because the top of that daily open, I don't know. We'll see. I could see them taking this outside tomorrow.
That'd be crazy.
Just on Doge.
Yeah.
You could look at the formation on the way down. This right here would be your dude. Yeah, you're pretty close to completing the downside move. I mean, they could start another one, but there's your 30 green moves.
Oh yeah.
So
So
now it
one,
should start
two,
like,
3. Gonna start to reverse.
yeah. So now you get your trend line coming down. It should start pulling away.
Oh yeah, same thing on the weekly too. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Should start. I like it. I like it. I love it.
There's a Timmy sandwich right there at your OB.
Timmy sandwich.
It was right there at the OB. You got the OB.
Oh, over here, yeah. The 1,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
Dude, I didn't take it on Apple, but whenever Pi or Papa, whatever his name was, posted that chart, I was like, dude, that's a Timmy sandwich. And
Oh, papaya posted it, yeah.
I was skeptical about it, but man, it hit. It's
Yeah,
like it does
this
on
one
any
right
other
here.
program.
Dude, yeah, that was beautiful. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit of something in between.
It had a double Timmy sandwich. Before even that move, there was a little Timmy there. When we closed above it, another little Timmy candle, then
Phenomenal. I think, how long have you been going for? Where's this? 8:05, 9:05. Been going for about an hour. That's solid. And we got 137 people in here. If you guys are just now tuning in, make sure to check out Big Timmy Hedge for his phenomenal trading strategies. You can also join the Discord, papertraders.io. That's where you will find a lot of good stuff from Timmy. Follow Hazed Beats, the creator, the god, the crypto man. Follow ES Benji for his skincare routine once we get him to 300 followers. And just check us out. Give us a like, give us a share if you enjoyed these streams. I like this one. This one's solid for today. Just kind of talk general market stuff.
yeah.
Got a lot of people in here too. Just keep on grinding them out. See what ES Benji's
So-
at.
So that OB that you have up there,
I don't want to see me win, bro.
I know.
is that because of the red candle?
That'll be,
Right there,
that's
yeah.
just an indicator. Honestly, I don't trade it. I just use it for like fair value gaps on the 15-minute. Like the ones that I go into. Like this is typically my 15-minute chart that I just like, so I don't have to look for them every morning like when we open at 9:30.
Yeah.
You know, so like, oh cool, this one's getting displaced. All right, selling down. God, dude, what a nasty afternoon continuation too. Disgusting.
Dude, that was
Chop around,
gnarly.
continue. 10 a.m. reversal too. That
Right on the dot.
right on cue.
Like it was meant to be.
Mm-hmm. Like almost like Timmy knows what the markets fucking do. Give him a follow,
Oh, yeah.
guys. And join the Discord to find out more Big Timmy tips. Tips with Timmy? We could
I'm
start a
hoping
segment.
tomorrow we don't get so wiki on the 5 minute. We get some actual like delivery and
Oh
some
yeah,
closing
this was
pieces.
yeah, some of this stuff over here was freaking disgusting. Like I'll sit into open. a little bit. It's
Dude,
good. We'll see what she continues doing tonight.
wonder wonder if this is real. Trump announces that U.S. taxpayers will be effectively reimbursed for funds sent to Ukraine. I doubt that.
I wish.
I just realized I think I was like one of the only we were the only people that were bearish on Bitcoin looking at Twitter.
Yeah, I'm
That
not
was
gonna name no names, but I talked with a guy. He runs a Bitcoin uh, fund, and I was like, "How you holding up with this sell off?" And he just waved a white flag.
Oof.
It ain't over yet. No,
It ain't over. Gonna continue selling
He's-
Bitcoin.
He said he
That
didn't lose a
would-
farm. He said he didn't lose his farm, but he lost some cattle.
Mm.
Uh,
Didn't lose the farm, but lost some cattle. That's
that
funny.
feed
Got a few
failure
chickens
did it.
left.
yeah.
Hell yeah. I think that we can probably call it a day. Call it a night here on stream. Still just staying here, chat.
Hey, is you jumping on live in the morning?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed early tonight.
Gonna go to bed before 2.
Not happening. So basically, that was a fucking lie.
No.
I didn't have any energy drink tonight, so I might sleep all night. Might not wake up at 2 in the morning and start posting.
Dude, yeah, sometimes I wake up, I'm like, damn, Timmy. I mean, this Discord is just fucking filled with people that don't sleep. I'm barely sleeping. Timmy's barely sleeping. And Hayes is barely sleeping. We're living on old time frames. London, Asian, you fucking name
Nasty
it.
day.
It's
Probably.
always live.
For real, seriously, like there's never like a dead moment unless we're not posting in there. It's crazy.
It's just like today, I didn't see anything. I'm not just gonna post a post.
Mm-hmm.
A+ and nothing.
Yep. Look at how well we took out the NVIDIA buy and then the NVIDIA sell on NQ. Like that move that happened after hours. That was fucking beautiful. Took out the buy side, came down for the sell side. That was another thing could have notated. I actually
Dude, so that's another thing. Like I never ever, like thought about that ever until you. Like you were like, oh, Asian lows, Asian high, London highs. I'm like, what the hell is this guy even talking about? And so I used to trade. So Weeble's got like an 805 candle. Here's some stuff for y'all. So if you go look at SPY 805 candle on Weeble, it's always some weird like algorithm. And if it takes out the high, like if it sweeps overnight highs and not overnight lows, we take out lows almost every time. But if it takes out both, we chop. And today it took out overnight highs. That's what we did. We sold off. Did it yesterday too.
Yeah, and that's exactly what we've done in the past here as well. All right.
But it's not a real candle. It's not a real candle. Yeah, it's just an algorithmic candle that's posted. And it's not on all brokers. It's only on very few brokers. And people complain about it because it messes up their MACD. So they got rid of it for a while. But man, like I started going back and looking, like once it takes out highs, like overnight highs, or makes like a triple top or something, and we get above that, we just go.
Yep.
Same thing for the downside. We take those lows, or we make a triple bottom and we get below those lows. It's just nasty.
Because you can technically consider it as like a, right, if you're looking at my screen, like we got the Asian London, you can take it as like a consolidation, manipulation, expansion. Like Asian
Yeah.
session consolidated over here. We came up. We took some more liquidity. We rejected over here. London session's taken Asian high, and then we sell down. And that's what I was outlining too with the fib. That's why I was like, this lines up with the like 2618 lined up pretty well with that. And look at that. Look how well we hit the 5618. So fucking close to it. That's where I'm like, that's where your fibs came in so clutch. I was like, holy shit, this lines up so well. Like all of those manipulations and shit line up so well with like the session manipulations with like Asian low or Asian highs.
Yeah, that's what, like, whenever I'm posting levels and people are like, where the hell did you get that from? It's something simple. That simple.
Yep.
And they hit all the time.
Yeah, like look how many times we've hit like London takes Asian lows, right? And we still have Asian highs left. So then we come up and take those Asian highs. Same thing over here. London takes the high of Asia, but we still have Asian lows left. Come back down. Same thing over here. Asian session consolidate. London manipulates below. London takes the low of Asia. Still got the high left over here. We pump up.
Pump up and look, came back down and retested it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And held it.
Yep.
To a T. Sometimes too, when we have like a large move and London just like expands down, then it's like then you will see a retrace during the New York session typically. So some quick tips before we end this. On a Q, we're still looking for downside to recap. Possibly bounce tomorrow, just to get everybody bowled up, and then sell down further.
Yeah, since all the Furus on X are looking for bottom, I seen somebody posted the greed meter, and they're like, "Oh, sometimes you just got to take a risk."
Sometimes you do. So if you guys want to see more of these, give it a like, give it a share, give us a follow. Make sure you're following at Hazed Beats. Make sure you're following Big Timmy Hedge. Absolutely make sure you're following ES Benji on Twitter. Check us out, papertraders.io in that little corner. Got the Discord link in there. We got the Paper Traders log in there, so you're able to journal your trades, stay sharp. We got the risk calculator in there, and we have the ICT trainer in there as well. Check all of those out. We appreciate you for tuning in, for staying with us for this hour. And we shall see you. I think we'll do a live tomorrow night. At least I will do. Or, yeah.
Yes.